afternoon, everyone. My name is Salskal E. Blazo. I'm 8 years old. I am studying at Monterisco Incorporated. Thank you, that's all.
All right. That's pair number 3, Zale, Ezekiel, and Janaya Marco.
Lights, camera, action.
I see you looking at my beat. I see. Que tenga, chula tenga, babadito, tati. Hey. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Baby, walk it, out. I'm feeling like $1,000,000, yeah. Must be that $1,000,000, yeah. 오늘따라 빛이 나. 썸이 착각하면 빛이 나. Always got your shit going on.
You like all my clothes in my bag. So little cover mess up putting that. Why you like it when I'm sad or mad? I don't give a cause I'm a bear. Bitch, not a wish list. 항상 earpick 물어보지 좀 언니 뭐야 lipstick. Funny how you always talking money but always playing the doctor. Use a body bag in the motherfucker. 저장해 나 불러. Goddamn 실화냐? 허리 둘래? 계속 더 이미 먹봐 watch it talk talk.
Take a couple of pics and a couple of flicks.
우리 모두 사진 찍기 위해 살아가. 나도 그러니 뭐 말아. 우리 모두 관심 받기 위해 살아가. 나도 그러니 zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Zoom in, zoom out, okay. Baby 확실하게 out.
I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. But even with nothing on, then I made you look. I made you look. I'll make you double take. Soon as I walk away, call up your chiropractor just in case your neck break. Ooh, tell me what you gonna do? Cause I'm about to make a scene, double up that sunscreen. I'm about to turn the heat up, gonna make your glasses steam. Ooh, tell me what you gonna do? When I do my walk, I can guarantee you trouble. Cause they don't make
Pair number 3, Zale, Ezekiel, and Jayana Margo. Alright. So my question to you guys is, what is your favorite subject in school and why?
My favorite subject is math.
Math. Okay, nagdagandagan na numbers ang utok. Okay, why do you like math?
I play with numbers and I love solving problems.
Oy, grabe. Mahilig math di ay.
I like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
So have you joined contest in school? Math contest? At school?
Not yet.
Not yet, but you want to?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Kuya. You, baby, what is your favorite subject in school and why?
Math and reading.
Math and reading. Okay. Have you joined contests in reading competitions or in math competitions? Naka-join na ka? Sa school? Wala pa. But that's your favorite. Why nyo ganahan man dyan kag math and unsa may ay uban pa yung mga bata no di jud ganahan magsige na lang yung cellphone. Di ganahan magbasa-basa but unsa may nakuha nimo sa pagbasa? Nganong ganahan ka magbasa?
I will be smart.
Yes, sakto dyan ano. One way of learning is through reading. Thank you so much, pair number